Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you how to make water. Step 1 is to find the most natural of water in nature. So now you have the most high quality of water. So now to turn this water into diet water is to first add lots and lots of salt. Now it has to be salt or it's not going to work. That should be good. Now mix it up. Now make sure it's stirred in good, because then you'll have some salt particles, and it doesn't give the right flavor if you do. So now once you have the salt in, what you want to do is drink it. Amazing! And trust me, the kids will like it too.